Okay, let's say for example you have to make a style sheet where they've given you specific colors that they want. So like for example 50% red. So we're going to have to learn these codes here. So FF is 100%, C0 is 75, 80 is 50, 40 is 25, and 00 is 0%. So we're going to create two. Let's create H1 and let's create P. So in front page, if you're going to create a new style sheet, you go File, New, and then More Page Templates, Style Sheets, Normal Style Sheet, and I'm going to go Format and Style. Okay, so let's go H1, so I'm going to double click, Format, Font. So in this case, H1 must be 50% red. Okay, so color, I'm going to go More Colors, choose any random one, and the hexadecimal code we're going to change. So it goes RGB, red, green, blue. So 50% red. So 50% red is 80 is 50%. So 80 for the red. And you'll see that there is no other mention of any of the blue or green. So I'm going to make those 0. So green 0, blue 0, and I'm going to say OK. And that's it. So this has changed everything else. So sans serif font. Okay, so for now, I'm just going to choose some random font over here. Let's just go to Arial. But because the font isn't very specific, we're going to have to go and probably change it to sans serif in the code once we have created these styles. So the font family will have to have sans serif straight after it. 36 point size. So just be careful, sometimes they say pixels, so if it's pixels it would be 36px for pixels, but if it's points then it's 36pt, so just be careful, they sometimes do trick you, just read it carefully. Centerline, bold and underlined, so bold and underlined, and alignment, format, paragraph, we're going to make it center aligned, so alignment, center, and so okay. Okay, cool. So I'm going to go back to HTML tags and I'm going to choose the next one. Let's make P, which is full green, sans serif 10 point left aligned. So P. Modify, format font, colors, more colors, choose a random one. So full green means 100% green. So FF is 100%. So they don't say anything about blue or red, so I'm going to make those 0. So, to be sure, full green, RGB. So G must be FF, and everything else will be 00. And we'll say OK. And then just complete the rest of it. So sans serif. Just make it a random one. I'm going to make it Arial. We'll change it afterwards. 10 point size. So 10 pt. And left aligned, so format paragraph, alignment must be left. So I'm finished with those two. So all I'm going to do, font family, they didn't say any specific font, so I'm just going to say sans serif, and then it's the same for the P style, they just said sans serif, so I'm just going to make Arial sans serif. So the default sans serif font will be selected for style H1 and P, and then you just right click and save it. That is how to create styles with specific percent. So for example, the 75% blue, there would be C0 for the blue part, the red and green make 00, 50% blue, that's 80, and then for red and green you make 0 anyway. Cool, let me know if you have any questions.